I just cut my bar S hot dogs in half. And now I'm just gonna dry them off with a paper towel really well. All right, now that our hot dogs are bone dry, we're gonna slide them out of here and bring in a bowl. And then to that bowl, we are gonna add 1 package of Jiffy corn muffin mix right in there. Then I'm gonna add 1 egg right in there as well. And then 1/3 cup of whole milk. I'm just following the directions on the box. Now I'm gonna take a whisk, break up that egg yolk real quick, and we're just gonna get this all nice and mixed together. I don't think it's a huge secret as to what I am making here today, but I wanna show you guys just how easy it can be to do it. And it will seem like you straight up got these, you know, from the fair or some kind of event or carnival. So just get this all mixed together. It's okay if it's a bit lumpy. Okay, now that that's nice and mixed, we're gonna take the batter. I have a tall drinking glass here, and I'm gonna pour the batter into this glass. Try not to spill it. And I'm gonna use a spatula just to help me get it all out mess-free. All right, now that it's all in our tall drinking glass, let's bring those beautiful hot dogs back into the picture. Then I've got some bamboo skewers here. You could also use popsicle sticks, but they didn't have that at my store, so I'm using these guys. And we're gonna take our super dry hot dogs, and then we're just gonna skewer it right in the center. We wanna stick this about 3/4 of the way up the hot dog, just so that it's nice and secure like this. All right, we got our last one done. All right, so we've got our 350-degree vegetable oil here, and I've got my batter. I'm just gonna dip my hot dog all the way in there, just like that, so it's nice and coated. Now let's get this in here. We're gonna hold it here for a little bit before we drop it in. Look at that. That is gonna fry up so beautifully. We'll do the same thing. We only need to fry these for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my big strainer tool here and kind of just flip the corn dog around, making sure all the sides are getting nice and fried before we take it out. All right, that looks beautifully fried. So we're just gonna get that onto our plate lined with paper towel. All right, guys, so these are a beautiful, deep golden brown color. That is exactly what you want. I'm gonna do the other ones off camera. I'm gonna hurry up and get these guys going because they look so good. I'm gonna use my favorite corn dog toppings. Dude, whoa, need better aim there. I'm gonna do a nice amount of ketchup and just some mustard, yellow mustard, right on top. I love mustard. Just squirt it all over. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right. I think I'm gonna go for the big guy right here. All right, let's see. Oh, that tastes really good.